Welcome to AutoCAD 3D Beginners course. Lecture speed. This course video lecture speed is made for all level student. If you need fast lecture, you can increase video speed 1.25 or 1.5 speed. You will get better experience and you can finish course very early. AutoCAD is a commercial computer-aided design and drafting software developed and marketed by Autodesk. AutoCAD was first released in December 1982. AutoCAD, one of the most powerful design and drafting software. All the engineering professionals must to learn this software. This course will give you better training for AutoCAD 3D beginners. All the 3D tools and commands clearly explained and practically made for AutoCAD 3D beginners. Requirement: laptop or desktop with AutoCAD software, mobile, notebook, and pen. You can use laptop or desktop. If you use laptop, try to use external keyboard and mouse for better practice. Mobile for video lectures, notebook and pen for note. AutoCAD software. In this course, I used AutoCAD 2022 version and AutoCAD 2023 version. You can use 2016 to any version for this course. This course contains video lecture, 3D beginners practice exercise, and AutoCAD 3D keyboard shortcut book. Book for this course. You will get this ebook in this course. Section 1: AutoCAD 3D Introduction. In this section, you will get a basic idea about AutoCAD 3D. Section 2: Solid Primitive. Section 3: User Coordinate System. Section 4: Solid Modeling. Section 5: Boolean Operations. Section 6: Solid Editing. Section 7: Gizmo Tool. Section 8: Section. Section 9: Selection. Section 10: Layout for 3D drawing. Section 11: 3D Practice Project. Section 12: 3D Beginners Practice Exercise. 26: 3D Beginners Practice Exercise. You will get it. This practice will make you better 3D beginners. Make proper schedule. Finish course 100%. Get lifelong useful knowledge. This course, all AutoCAD 3D beginners, this course will help you to improve your design and drafting knowledge in professional way. Download resources. Open AutoCAD 3D beginners course in Google Chrome or any other web browser. Click here and click here AutoCAD 3D.rar. Go to your download folder. Select AutoCAD 3D.rar file. Right click your mouse. Select WinRAR or 7-zip application. Click extract here. Now you can use all drawing what I used in this course. Your doubts. You can ask me your doubts in Q&A section. Before asking me question, try to finish all the lectures 100%. Maybe your doubt will clear in some other location, but if you ask any question, definitely I will answer you. You can do it. Just go for it. Best of luck, students. Thank you for choosing my course. 2D to 3D workspace switching. By default, when you open AutoCAD any version, you will get 2D workspace. How to change this 2D workspace to 3D workspace? Just go here. Here you can see a gear icon. Near to the gear icon, you can see a drop down. Just click here, and here it is 3D basic or 3D modeling. You can use any one, but I just select this 3D modeling. So you will get complete 3D modeling workspace. Now the workspace changed to 3D modeling. These are all the tools we use to create 3D modeling. And here it is solid and surface, mesh, visualize, like that, few tabs available. And here it is UCS. Still this UCS in 2D. How to change this UCS 2D to 3D? Just go to this view toolbar and just click here. You can see lots of styles. Select any one view: southwest, southeast, northeast, and northwest. I just select this southeast. Now you can see three axes: X, Y, and Z direction. So this is 3D. Now you are inside 3D workspace. Now you can make any 3D modeling and you can see the three-dimensional view. 3D navigation toolbar. If you go here, you can see these all 3D navigation toolbar. If you didn't found this toolbar, go to View tab and you can see here navigation toolbar. If it is switch on like this, you will get it like this tool. Or if you switch off, you never get like this. Switch on this one, you will get it navigation toolbar. In this navigation toolbar, first one view cube, next one full navigation wheel, and here it is pan. This is zoom toolbar, and here it is orbit toolbar. This one we will see later. The first one we will see pan. If you click this pan, you can pan your object like this. This pan you can make using mouse center button. Press your mouse center button and you can pan like this. Or type P in your keyboard, enter, and you can pan like this. Or right click, you will get it pan, you can make pan like this. The next command, zoom. Various types of zoom options available in AutoCAD. The first one, it is zoom extend. Zoom extend means sometime you made a small modeling, sometime you zoom or something made mistake, something, it is like this. You are finding that one, you are not getting. You need to get it in front of you. You can use zoom extend. Just click this one, use zoom extend. This same command you can make using your mouse center button. Sometimes it is like this. Double click your mouse center button, you can make zoom extend. The next one, zoom window. Sometimes specific area only you need to zoom. You can use this option. Just click this one, click the first point, at the next point you can make zoom like this. This is called zoom window. The next one, zoom previous. If you click this zoom previous, it will go back to one step, that is zoom previous. And I just made like this. Next one, zoom real time. If you click this real time, and you can click and hold your mouse left click and you can make like this, zoom out, zoom in, like this. So this is called real-time zoom. The next one, zoom on. This also similar to zoom extend, but in this case, if you given any limits, if you know AutoCAD 2D, definitely you know about the limits. If you given any limits, that limits also will zoom all. But these cases, just zoom all, just zoom all, it will zoom like this. The next one, zoom dynamic. If you click this zoom dynamic, you can see a white color window. Now I just click this point, and now you can see if I move mouse, it depends on the movement, the white color window is reducing. Now it is increasing, it is reducing, increasing, reducing. If I move my mouse, depends on the movement, it is reduce or increase. I just made like this. Okay, now it is very small, and I just click again. Now you can see the size is decided. So now which area you need to zoom, just place it in that area. I just place like this. Again click and enter. Now you can see which area the rectangle placed, that area only zoom. That is called zoom dynamic. The next one, zoom scale. Zoom scale means you can use scale factor for zooming. Just click this zoom scale. Now I am going to give the value of scale factor. Make it 1 scale, enter. Now this is 1 scale factor view, and I just make it zoom scale again, 0.1. Below 1 scale also it will zoom like this. Any scale factor you can give, depend on that scale factor, it will zoom. The next one, zoom center. Sometimes it is like this, but this portion you need to make it as a center of this view. So which portion you need, just click that portion and simply enter. Now you can see it is changed to the center of this workspace. The next one, zoom object. Which object you need to zoom, just select that object, enter. Now it will zoom perfectly. The next option, zoom in. It is zoomed in one step. If you click again, it will one more step zoom in again. This is zoom out. The next one, if you click again zoom out, it will zoom out again. Same thing, you can use your mouse middle button. You can make zoom in or zoom out. Rotate your mouse center button, you can make zoom in. Just go near to the object and place it like this and make like this, rotate, you will get it zoom in or zoom out. Rotate your mouse, which area you want, just go near to the area and rotate your mouse center button. You can make zoom in or zoom out. And the next one, it is orbit tool. Orbit tool, 3 orbit tools we have. First one, orbit. If you click that orbit, your mouse pointer changed like this. Now click your mouse left click and hold the mouse left click, and you can just make orbit like this. Okay, which direction, just leave from that point. Now if you leave your hand from mouse, it is freely. Again just click and hold your mouse left click and you can make like this. It is orbit. The next one, it is free orbit. If you click this free orbit, now you can see a orbit. You can just make like this free orbit. Inside the orbit, this is the orbit. Inside, this is the center point.
you can make like this orbit. But in this free orbit, you can select any portion, you can make orbit. The next one, it is continuous orbit. For continuous orbit, if you click means and press your mouse left click and just go little distance and leave your hand from mouse left click. Now it will orbit like this. Same thing, if you made fast, you will get it fast orbit. Just click and just leave it. Escape, it will stop. If you need to go back to the original position, just go to home. Here it is view. If you click here, a lot of view available. Select this southeast, southwest, northeast, which view you want. If you click that view, it will go back to that view. Just click this southeast, you will get it the original position. This is the way to handle the main navigation toolbar in AutoCAD. View control in AutoCAD 3D. This is a 3D view. This 3D view, how you require, you can make 3D view control. If you go here, you can see a view control here. Just click this one and here it is view control. If you click here, you can see lots of views: top view, bottom view, left, right, south, west, southeast, northeast, northwest, like that. Few view control you can see here. Same tool you will get it in this view toolbar. If you click here, you can see the same the view control. If you click this top, you will get it top view, and if you select this bottom, you will get it the bottom view, and left view, the right view, front view, and back view. And if you need the 3D view, the next one it is southwest, and the next one southeast, and northeast, and the northwest. So this is the way you can make this view control. This is default views. The first method, this one, you can select here, or you can select here, or you can use view cube. We will see next lecture about this view cube, but you can add here your custom view also. Sometime you made any 3D model and some specific location, specific direction only you like to make. If you need to make orbit, just press the shift key and press the mouse center button, you can make like this. Normally if you press this mouse center button, you can make pan only. Press shift key and press mouse center button, you can make orbit like this. So when you make 3D modeling, always you cannot use this tool, so you just make shortcut and you can make that one. Now something you arrange like this, always you require this view, so you can make your custom view. Go to the view manager and click this new view, and I just make it my view and click OK. If you want, you can make the region and all, and I just click OK and apply and click OK. Now I just press this shift and I just made like this, or if I made this southwest or something. Now I need my view. If I click this my view, it will turn to the my view. So this is the way to control view control in AutoCAD 3D. View cube in AutoCAD 3D. In navigation toolbar, the first toolbar, it is view cube. You can click here, you will get it view cube, or go to view and here it is view cube. Here it is switch on, you will get it here. If you switch off this one, you will not get it here. You can click here or you can click here. You will get it, the view cube. Using this view cube, we can control the view in AutoCAD 3D and 2D. See here, now I am in south east. See here, south and east. This direction I am. See here, if you go to the each corner or this face, you will get it some highlight. If you click this highlight, it will change to that view. And if you go here, you can see here this corner is highlighting. Now if you click here, you will get it the southwest view and from this top. If you click here, exactly this view you will get it. And if you need to go back to the your home view, just click here, it is go back to the home view. Any view you can click and you can get it. I just click here, it is changed to like this. And here it is perspective and parallel. You can change like this. Perspective means it is the real time view, the perspective view available, and perspective with ortho face available. Like that, lots of controls available. Normally use this parallel. And this view compass, just click this compass and you can make rotate. See here, depends on this rotation, the view cube it is rotating. Rotating the view cube, the object also rotating. This is view cube, view compass. So like that, wherever you want, you can just click that portion and you will get it view. See here, if you click here, you will get it like this view. And if you need to rotate, you can use this arrow. I just click this arrow, it is rotate. If you click here this arrow, it will rotate like this. And if you click this home, you will get it home. But you can change any view and you can save us as a home view. Now I just go to click this south is isometric in this view control, and I just press this shift key and press the mouse center button. I just rotate like this and I place like this view, and I just click this view cube, right click and select this parallel. Okay, just go near to this view cube and right click, you will get it these all the things. Okay, now it is parallel. Now I am going to save this view as a home view. Now I just right click again, set current view as a home. Okay, I just say save this one. Now I just change here southwest. Okay, and if I click this home, it will go back to the home view. Okay, now I just select this perspective, and if I need to go back to the home, if I click here and it is changed the perspective. Now if you go here, you can see it is parallel. Please go back to the home view, and this is the way to control views using view cube in AutoCAD. Visual style control in AutoCAD 3D. If you go here, if you click here, you can see these all the things, visual styles. If you select this 2D wireframe, you will get it 2D wireframe. And if you click here, select this conceptual, you will get it conceptual visual style. So like that, you can select any of this visual style and you will get it like this visual style. Same visual style available here also. You can see lots of visual style available. You can select any style. I just select this hidden. Now this is the hidden visual style. And you can, using this visual style manager, you can create your own visual style, or you can make changes in this existing visual style. Just click this visual style manager and you can see here all the visual styles. In this visual styles, if you need to make changes, select that visual style, and if you once you select it, you will get it that style settings, face setting, lighting, environment setting, and edge settings. These all the things. If you want, you can make changes. I just select this one and I made this one to green, and I just click this one, drag and drop it here. Now what I changed existing, this visual style, it is changed to like this. So like that, all the properties you can make changes. If you want to create the new visual style, for that, here it is, create new visual style. Just click this one, make your name, any name, which name you want to make as a visual style. You can make the style, or you can keep as it is, simply OK. Now that visual style, it is created. This is visual style 1. Select this one, and if you want, you can make changes in this. Realistic or goods, none, which style you want, face style you can change, lighting quality, which quality you want, smoothest, face rate, like that, quality you can adjust, and here it is monochrome, tint, like that, a lot of options available, you will get it like this. And if you need to change the color, you will get it like this. If you need to apply this one to object, just select this one and you can apply like this. So now it is changed to what we created that style. So here all the options available, these are all the options, you can use it. Now I close this one, and if you go here, you will get it what you created the style. If you don't want this style, you can delete it. Before deleting this one, just I make this one realistic. Now I go to visual style manager and select this one, and I go to delete the selected visual style. If you fixed, here it is realistic, that's why I can delete it. If I am using here currently, you cannot delete it. So this is the way you can create your own visual style, or you can make your new visual style, and you can using this visual style you can control. Same type of visual style available in visualize, and if you go here, you will get it the same similar tools. Full navigation wheel in AutoCAD. If you go to navigation toolbar, here it is, full navigation wheel. If you click here, you will get it like this. This wheel, using this wheel, we can make few changes in navigation. The first one, zoom. Using this zoom, if you go near to the zoom, you can see it is highlighted, and press your left click in your mouse and hold the mouse, and you can make zoom in, zoom out like this. Zoom in, zoom out like this. Hold your mouse left click. That is very important. If you release the mouse left click, you will get it again the wheel. Next one, orbit. If you click this orbit, click and hold your mouse left click, and now you can orbit like this. Release mouse left click, you will get it again this wheel. Here it is pan. If you click this pan and hold mouse left click. Now you can pan like this. Release mouse left click. Here it is rewind. If you select this rewind, and you can rewind like this. Okay, which one you want, just click here, it is rewind. The next one, center. Select the center, and which is just click here, click and hold your mouse left click, which is your center is required, just place it. I just click here. Now this view, this position changed to center. Again I just go to the center. Now I just click and hold the mouse left click and go near to any place, just click here. Now that point is changed to the center. Here it is look. If you select this look, you can make like this movement in up and down or right and left. Release the mouse left click, go to the next option, up and down. Select this up and down and press and hold the mouse left click, and you can make changes in up and down like this. Up and down. If you move your mouse, depends on the movement, it will make up and down. Release the mouse left click and go to the next option, walk. If you click this walk, click and hold the mouse, and now you can make walk like this. If you made fast, it will make movement in fast. If you made slow, it will make movement in slow. You can make up and down also, or any direction you can move. Which direction you move your mouse, that direction you will get it walk movement. Release the left click, and here it is. And here we have a lot of options. If you click here, we are used here full navigation wheel, means full options available. If you need to make a mini view object wheel, if you select means you will get it mini wheel. So this is few options only available. This is very mini. Again right click and go to the mini tool building wheel. So it is that is this one. This much options only available. Just click and you can make that tool. Release it, you will get it again, that tool. Just right click, mini full navigation wheel. Full option available, but it is very mini one. Okay, just right click. If you want to go back to full navigation, select this one, you will get it. Just click here and go to the home. If you click this, go to the home, which is the home view, you will get it. I just change it to southeast, and if you click this, you will get it the home view. The same view you can make using the wheel, full navigation wheel. Just select this one and I click here, just click here and go to select, go home, and actually it is home. Okay, just go home, it is already home. If you make changes and I select this one and I click here, go home, now it is into go home. Like that, few changes you can make, fit to window, a lot of things you can use. And here it is steering wheel setting. If you select this steering wheel setting, you can make wheel size, this wheel size, big wheel size, how much you want, you can make changes. And wheel opacity, if you adjust, actually normally using default 50% is available. If you want to increase or decrease, you can make these changes here. Mini wheel, what is the size of the mini wheel? If you want to increase the mini wheel size, you can make changes in this, and that opacity also you can adjust here. Then when we made the walk tool using the wheel, the walk speed you can adjust here, default walk speed. Like that, few changes you can make using these wheel settings. Once you activate this wheel, It will show like this. If you don't want, simply cancel escape key in your keyboard, or just go here, click this cross icon, it will close. So this is the way to handle full navigation wheel in AutoCAD.